Alright, so this is where we're at. You see the starter right there? I got it disconnected from right there. They got two bolts in the back. Right here, and one that goes right here. And the whole starter would fall. And what I did was I ended up taking off. There's a piece that goes right on the top where that gold color thing is. The contact is. It's this right here. It'll make it easier to get it snaked through this hole here. Just gotta go through there. And then out through this hole here. There's a couple brackets you gotta remove to do it, but so what I'm gonna do now, I'm going to remove this bracket right here. This little bracket that holds this piece. That'll be on your way. I'm gonna move it, and it should be pretty easy getting it through that hole there. So that's what, here we are. Alright. So alright. So this bracket right here, I'm gonna take it off. I believe all it is a 10mm bolt. Yep. Right up on the top of it. Alright. See, that's it. It's this little 10mm and this little bracket with the hose attached will come down. Alright, put that to the side. Now we're gonna start snaking it through this hole here. And a zip tie holding it in place. The electrical wiring coming out, so I had to cut it, but
I've eaten already, but I haven't fed the babies because I don't have any baby food. I don't have food yet. Here you go. Yeah, but I don't know. Thank you. I have some.
got two zip ties holding it. Those aren't supposed to be there.
Oh, they ate it like crazy. Here you go. At least you have some. I'm sorry if I
could have just caught it. All right. All right, now.
I'm sorry,
It's all about just finding the right way to get it out of there. Let's see. Let's see right here. Got it out. Took me all of 10 minutes to get it out the car. All right. See now, get this remanufactured one that I purchased. Purchased it off of eBay for about 67 bucks with free shipping. So that's the new one, and here's the old one. You can see the teeth on this one are definitely older. They're worn down a little bit, but so yeah, we're gonna find out if it was worth 67 once I get it back in the car here. So here we go. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna do the opposite. We're gonna snake it through that hole there and attach it. But I'm gonna remove this clip just like I did. I remove this and I'm gonna put it back in once I get it in the car. It's easier to get it through that hole.